Imagine finding deep calm and renewed focus, not by carving out extra time, but by simply moving through your day. If you're a busy person who struggles to just sit there and meditate, this is your game changer. Today, we'll explore mindfulness in motion, simple, powerful ways to transform ordinary moments into opportunities for peace and clarity. You'll learn how to reduce stress, boost focus, and cultivate inner calm, all without changing your schedule or adding something new to your to-do list. Because meditation isn't about escaping life, it's about being fully alive within it. Your journey to mindful motion starts now. Let's start by redefining meditation itself. Many people imagine sitting perfectly still in silence, eyes closed, thoughts erased. But meditation isn't about stillness. It's about awareness. Mindfulness in motion means carrying that awareness into every movement. It's not confined to the meditation cushion. It's woven into your walk, your commute, your chores, your workday, and your interactions with others. When you practice mindfulness in motion, the goal isn't to slow life down, it's to wake up within it. You begin to notice what's been there all along, the rhythm of your breath, the sensations of your body, the texture of the world around you. Even something as simple as washing your hands or stepping outside becomes an act of connection, a moment of being fully present. Mindfulness in motion reminds us that peace isn't a destination. It's the quality of attention you bring to each moment. There's solid science behind why mindfulness in motion works so well, especially for busy people. When we move consciously, we activate both sides of the brain, the logical and the creative, the structured and the intuitive. This balance helps stabilize emotions, sharpen focus, and reduce stress. Studies show that mindful walking, yoga, or even intentional breathing during activity lowers cortisol, enhances mood, and improves sleep quality. You don't have to sit cross-legged for 20 minutes to experience these benefits. A few mindful moments throughout the day can shift your entire nervous system. Movement also helps release mental resistance. When we're stressed, we carry that tension in our bodies, in our shoulders, our jaws, our breath. By adding awareness to movement, we help energy flow freely again, naturally quieting the mind. It's like syncing body and mind into one smooth rhythm, the rhythm of presence. Now let's bring it into daily life, real practical mindfulness for busy schedules. Here are a few simple yet transformative practices you can start today. 1. Mindful walking. Every step can become a meditation. As you walk, feel the ground beneath your feet. Notice the shift in balance, the subtle sway of your body. Breathe in through the nose. Breathe out slowly through the mouth. Let your senses open. The sounds, the air, the colors. If your mind wanders, gently return to the feeling of your steps. This isn't walking to get somewhere. It's walking to be somewhere, right here, right now. 2. Conscious breathing while working. At your desk, before opening an email or starting a call, take one slow, mindful breath. Inhale deeply, exhale completely. Notice how your shoulders drop. Your mind settles, your focus sharpens. Each time you transition between tasks, take another mindful breath. That single pause keeps your mind clear and your stress low. A small act of awareness that changes the entire flow of your day. 3rd, mindful driving. Driving can often trigger impatience and tension, but it's also a perfect place for presence. As you grip the steering wheel, notice the texture beneath your fingers. Feel the hum of the engine, the movement of the tires, the rhythm of motion. When stopped at a red light, take a calm breath. Instead of reacting to traffic, become the observer, aware, relaxed, alert. You'll find that calm driving not only soothes your mind, it makes you a safer, more conscious driver. 4. The kitchen meditation. Cooking or washing dishes can be a powerful mindfulness practice. Listen to the sounds, the water running, the sizzle of food, the rhythmic clatter of utensils. Notice the smells, the warmth, the sensations of your hands. Be present with the process, not rushing through it, but immersing in it. When you cook with mindfulness, your food becomes infused with calm energy, and your home with peace. 5. Body awareness. During movement, stretch, dance, or move however feels natural. Let each motion follow your breath. Notice how your body shifts, stretches, and relaxes. You're not performing for anyone. You're reconnecting with yourself. Feel the life within your movement. This is meditation, embodied and alive. You might be surprised how many opportunities you already have for mindfulness. Waiting in line, brushing your teeth, taking a shower. These small, routine moments are sacred spaces for awareness. If you choose to notice them, instead of checking your phone or rushing through them, slow down. Feel the water on your skin. Notice your breath. Listen to the world around you. Each of these moments becomes an anchor, reminding you that life is happening now, not later. You don't need an hour of meditation time. You just need a moment of attention. And the more often you return to that attention, the more peaceful your entire day becomes. Here's the key mindset. Mindfulness isn't about perfection, it's about presence. There will be days when your mind feels scattered or distracted. That's perfectly okay. The magic isn't in never losing focus. It's in noticing when you do and gently coming back. Each time you return to awareness, your mind grows stronger, calmer, more centered. Think of mindfulness as training a muscle, not forcing stillness, but strengthening awareness. Over time, you'll notice that you're less reactive, more grounded, and quicker to find peace, even in chaos. Presence over perfection, always. Every breath, every return, every pause, it all counts. Let's experience a short mindful motion together. If you're sitting, place your feet on the ground. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Now slowly roll your shoulders back, feeling each muscle stretch. Tilt your head gently side to side, releasing any tension. If you're standing or walking, feel your weight shift between your feet. Notice your body supporting itself effortlessly, naturally. Your breath flows like a wave, in out, steady, calm. Now imagine each movement as a dance between body and breath. You are here. You are aware. You are whole. For just this moment, let the world slow down around you. Let gratitude fill your awareness. Gratitude for your body, your breath, your life. When you bring mindfulness into motion, you stop searching for peace and start living it. Your work, your errands, your daily tasks all become gateways to calm. Life doesn't need to be paused for you to find balance. Awareness turns motion itself into meditation. As you move through your day to day, remember, every breath, every action, every step can be sacred if you bring presence to it. That's the gift of mindfulness in motion. If this message inspired you, please like this video and share it with someone who needs a moment of peace today. Subscribe to Serenity Mastery for more guided meditations, affirmations, and mindfulness practices to help you create calm and balance wherever life takes you. Until next time, keep breathing, keep moving, and keep mastering serenity, one mindful moment at a time.